using internet over a long time, but do not have any idea about another world of internet. Well, the unknown world is dark web or deep web, which is not indexed on Google. Deep web, dark web accessible by a special browser, known as the Tor browser. Before we get going towards dark web, it's important to know about Tor browser, so let's begin. What is the Tor browser, and how it can help protect your identity? The core principle of Tor, onion routing, was developed in the mid-1990s by United States Naval Research Laboratory employees, mathematician Paul Siverson, and computer scientists Michael G. Reed and David Goldschlag, with the purpose of protecting U.S. intelligence communications online. Tor browser offers the best anonymous web browsing available today, and researchers are working hard at improving Tor's anonymity properties. The Tor browser is a web browser that anonymizes your web traffic using the Tor network, making it easy to protect your identity online. If you're investigating a competitor, researching an opposing litigant in a legal dispute, or just think it's creepy for your ISP or the government to know what websites you visit, then the Tor browser might be the right solution for you. Where to download Tor browser? Tor browser is available for Linux, Mac and Windows, and has also been ported to mobile. You can download Tor browser from its official website. How to use the Tor browser? For most people, using Tor browser is as simple as Chrome or Firefox. If you've never used Tor before, then the first thing you'll notice is that it's slow, or at least, slower than regular internet browsing. Still, Tor has gotten quite a bit faster over the years, and with a good internet connection, you can even watch YouTube videos over Tor. Tor browser gives you access to onion websites that are only available within the Tor network. How Tor browser works? Tor browser routes all your web traffic through the Tor network, anonymizing it. Tor consists of a 3-layer proxy, like layers of an onion. Tor browser connects at random to one of the publicly listed entry nodes, bounces that traffic through a randomly selected middle relay, and finally spits out your traffic through the third and final exit node. Tor browser means browse privately, explore freely, defend yourself against tracking and surveillance, circumvent censorship, block trackers. Tor browser isolates each website you visit so third-party trackers and ads can't follow you. Any cookies automatically clear when you're done browsing. So will your browsing history. Defend against surveillance. Tor browser prevents someone watching your connection from knowing what websites you visit. All anyone monitoring your browsing habits can see is that you're using Tor. Resist fingerprinting. Tor browser aims to make all users look the same, making it difficult for you to be fingerprinted based on your browser and device information. Multi-layered encryption. Your traffic is relayed and encrypted 3 times as it passes over the Tor network. The network is comprised of thousands of volunteer-run servers known as Tor relays. Browse freely. With Tor browser, you are free to access sites your home network may have blocked. How secure is Tor browser? While Tor provides a much higher level of anonymity than a regular web browser, it's not 100% secure. Your location will be hidden and your traffic can't be tracked, but certain people can still see your browsing activity. When you visit a website using a normal web browser, your computer makes a direct TCP connection with the website's server. While in case of Tor browser, your computer makes indirect TCP connection. If you don't have a VPN, Tor is better than nothing, but I wouldn't use it to sign into any services, especially financial ones. In other words, if you don't really need to be anonymous, don't worry about Tor. Combination of reliable VPN and Tor browser. It's a perfect way to go anonymous. Is it dangerous to download Tor? Tor is safe for the average internet user. Tor is in some ways less secure than VPN, but using Tor with VPN can provide anonymity and privacy on the internet. Use a Tor browser for opposition research in a legal dispute, to keep your web footprint away from advertisers and to bypass internet censorship restrictions. Tor Browser will warn you before automatically opening documents that are handled by external applications. Do not ignore this warning. You should be very careful when downloading documents via Tor, especially doc and PDF files, unless you use the PDF viewer that's built into Tor Browser. What is Tor Browser used for? The Tor Browser is an internet browser that allows users to surf the web anonymously. It also gives you access to the dark web. Tor is a worldwide network of servers specifically made for private communication. Is Tor illegal? Using Tor to access and browse the dark web is not illegal. Using Tor to access and browse the dark web is not illegal, but visiting certain sites, or making certain purchases, through the dark web is illegal. If you use the dark web to purchase illegal drugs or firearms, that's illegal. In this video we have learned about Tor Browser, but something is still missing, that is dark web. We will talk more about dark web in detail in upcoming video. Have you any suggestions, questions related to me or this video, then drop your valuable comments and yeah, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks all.